Welcome to Daily IQ. Today, 1st September 2024. In this video, I will teach you top 14 current affairs MCQ with detailed explanation. Question number 1. India's first pollution control vessel, Samudra Pratap, was built by. Answer is Goa Shipyard. The Indian Coast Guard launched its first indigenously developed pollution control vessel, Samudra Pratap, in Goa. This vessel was built by Goa Shipyard Limited, marking a milestone in India's move towards self-reliance in defense production. Samudra Pratap is designed to combat all spills and pollution along India's coastlines. The ship is 114.5 meters long, 16.5 meters wide, and has a displacement of 4,170 tons. Question number 2. Which city was recognized as Asia's second healthiest city by WHO? Answer is Dhulikhel. WHO has declared Dhulikhel municipality of Kavrepalanchok district as Nepal's first healthy city and second healthiest city in Asia. Dhulikhel municipality, which initiated a campaign to become a healthy city, has been monitored by the World Health Organization since 2021 to achieve the feat of becoming Nepal's healthiest city. The city was rated 65.48 points on the WHO's Healthy City indicators. The WHO also awarded Dhulikhel $5,000 to help implement health programs. Question number 3. Which country has won the 2024 SAFF Under-20 Championship title? Answer is Bangladesh. Bangladesh won the SAFF, South Asian Football Federation Under-20 Championship football tournament, beating Nepal 4-1 in the final at the ANFA ground in Lalitpur. This is Bangladesh's first title in the tournament. The competition, which began on 18 August 2024, also featured Sri Lanka, India, the Maldives, and Bhutan. India had previously won the SAFF Under-20 Championship in 2019, 2022, and 2023. Question number 4. The 8th Women's Asian Champions Trophy Hockey Tournament in 2024 will be hosted in. Answer is Rajgir. The 8th Women's Asian Champions Trophy Hockey Tournament 2024 will be hosted by Hockey India and the Bihar government from November 11 to 20, 2024. The tournament will be played at the newly developed Rajgir Hockey Stadium in Rajgir. This is the second consecutive time that India will host the tournament. India hosted the 7th Women's Asian Champions Trophy Hockey Tournament in Ranchi, Jharkhand, from 27 October to 5 November 2023, which the Indian team won. Question number 5. Who has been appointed as the 33rd Cabinet Secretary of the Government of India? Answer is T.V. Somnathan. 1987 batch IAS officer of Tamil Nadu cadre, T.V. Somnathan, was appointed as the 33rd Cabinet Secretary of the Government of India on 30th August 2024. He was initially appointed as the Cabinet Secretary for 2 years. He succeeds Rajiv Gauba, who is India's longest-serving Cabinet Secretary, retired after 5 years of service on 30th August 2024. Question number 6. Where was the 5th Global Fintech Fest 2024 held? Answer is Mumbai. The 5th Global Fintech Fest was held in Mumbai in Maharashtra from 28 to 30 August 2024. The Global Fintech Fest is organized by the National Payment Corporation of India, NPCI. The theme of the 5th Global Fintech Fest was Blueprint for the Next Decade of Finance, Responsible AI Vertical Bar Inclusive Vertical Bar Resilient. The festival, which started in 2021, aims to establish itself as the premier global conference for the global fintech ecosystem and promote collaboration. Question number 7. The second Indo-Russian Commission meeting on emergency management was hosted in. Answer is Moscow. The Russian capital city of Moscow on 28 August 2024 hosted the second meeting of the Joint Russian-Indian Commission on Cooperation in the field of emergency management. The Indian delegation was led by Union Minister of State for Home Affairs, Nityanand Rai. In 2016, New Delhi hosted the first meeting of the Indo-Russian Joint Commission on Cooperation in the field of emergency management. Question number 8. Which Union Minister has launched the She-Box portal? Answer is Annapurna Devi. The Union Minister of Women and Child Development, Annapurna Devi, launched the She-Box portal, a centralized platform for managing and tracking complaints of sexual harassment at workplaces. It allows women to file complaints, track their status, and ensures timely processing by internal committees, ICs, with real-time monitoring facilitated by a designated nodal officer. Question number 9. Recently, India hands over the first payment to Sri Lanka for which project? Answer is Power. Indian High Commissioner Santosh Jha on 29 August handed over the first payment for the hybrid power projects on 3 Sri Lankan islands of northern Jaffna that are being implemented under Indian grant assistance of $11 million. The projects to install a hybrid renewable energy system in the Delft, Nantivu, and Anlativu islands are being implemented under Indian grant assistance. Question number 10. Satish Kumar Vaduguri has been appointed as the chairman of. Answer is IOCL. On 1 September 2024, Satish Kumar Vaduguri has taken additional charge of chairman of the Indian Oil Corporation Limited, IOCL. He had replaced Shrikant Madhav Vadya, who retired on 31 August 2024. Satish Kumar Vaduguri is currently serving as the director of the IOCL. Question number 11. Rajneesh Naran has been appointed as the chairman and MD of. Answer is HPCL. On 1 September 2024, Rajneesh Naran has taken additional charge of the chairman and managing director of the Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited, HPCL. He had replaced Pushp Kumar Joshi, who retired on 31 August 2024. Rajneesh Naran is currently serving as the director of the HPCL. He assumed the charge of director of the HPCL in 2022. Question number 12. Who has been appointed as MD and CEO of the Shriram Capital? Answer is Subhasri Shriram. Subhasri Shriram has been appointed as the Managing Director, MD, and Chief Executive Officer, CEO, of Shriram Capital Private Limited, with effect from 1 September 2024. Currently, Subhasri is serving as the joint MD in Shriram Capital Private Limited. She joined Shriram Group in 1991. Shriram Group is an Indian conglomerate headquartered in Chennai. It was founded on 5 April 1974. Question number 13. Who has launched the first comic book in the series Heroes of the Indian Air Force? Answer is Vivek Ram Chaudhary. Air Chief Marshal Vivek Ram Chaudhary, Chief of the Air Staff, CAS, of the Indian Air Force, IAF, has launched the first comic book in the series Heroes of the Indian Air Force. The book, published by the Indian Air Force (IAF), aims to depict the heroic narratives of the IAF through comics. The book was developed by the National Film Development Corporation of India (NFDC), with Anubhav Khanduri as the general manager. Question number 14. Who has launched Retired Sportsperson Empowerment Training Reset Program? Answer is Mansukh Mandavia. Retired Sportsperson Empowerment Training Reset Program was launched by the Union Minister Dr. Mansukh Mandavia. Reset Program aim is to empower retired sportspersons who have brought immense laurels to the nation. Eligible participants include retired athletes aged 20 to 50 who have won international medals, participated in international events, or have been national or state medalists. Thanks for watching full video. You can join in our membership plan for daily, weekly and monthly current affairs PDFs. Please contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 9700200378.